Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, your Iota trading informant. Guys, here is the update for Iota in English. Some guys asked me, Biti, please make some English update. For the normal thing, I will make German updates, but here is the English one. Guys, let's go. Let's start with the Iota update, and the big signal is here. I will show you what signal is here now. First of all, my English is not very good, so sorry about this, but I will try to make the best of this. Guys, Iota update. You can see it here on CoinCodex. Iota is trading minus 8.16% below our price prediction for August. And yes, of course, Iota went down. Let's check this a little bit here. You can see the price sentiment is bearish for Iota. We have extreme fear in the market. You can see the price about 29 cents, 29.9. 30 cent is a big resistance, psychological resistance. We are under this resistance. So the Iota price is expected to rise by 8.88% in the next 5 days, according to our Iota price prediction. And that's showing us CoinCodex. We can see this one here, maybe a little down going price here the next few days. And after this, we will see a nice pump about 8% to the upside, maybe up to 34%. This is telling us CoinCodex. So if we're going down a little bit more and more and more and more, we can see here nothing special. Let me show you what I would like to show you here. This one, Iota price prediction. Let me show you the next days. Okay, I showed you at this point to the upside, but we have more here. Sentiment, I told you it's not so good. We are fighting here with the green line. You can see this one, that's the 50 MA line. Really important if we are watching the Iota's 50-day, 200-day simple moving averages. And that's the relative strength index, the 14-day. That's really interesting. We need to hold the green line. For the moment, we hold this line. For the moment, we have a really nice buy signal. I will show you soon, guys. The next stuff, what's here for Iota? Big supports, big resistances to the upside. The biggest one is 32 cents. You can see this one here. This resistance with the most strength is 32 cents. And now here is the price forecast for the next days. And we see here maybe August 28, 33 cents. This would be a nice plus, about 11% here. 32 cent on August 29. This is 8.88. And if we're clicking on show more, what can we see? We see more power to the upside. September, maybe 37, 38 cent here until September the 13th. After this, we're maybe going down a little bit again. So 30 cent, I hope we can see 38 cents soon. This would be nice. Now, let me show you what's going on with Iota versus Bitcoin. And you can see we lost our nice parallel channel to the upside here. Sorry, we lost it. We are retesting it now. Again, big question is, can we jump in again in the parallel channel, or will we go down from here against Bitcoin? You know it, guys. If Iota versus Bitcoin is going down, you know it is better to trade Bitcoin as Iota. For the moment, it is better to trade. You can see it's going down against Bitcoin. Now, let me show you Iota. Here is our cup and handle pattern for the long term. Not so important now, but for the long term. More important, guys, and that's the reason why I make this English update, is this one here on the downside. Look at this hash ribbons indicator. What it is showing us. Look at this one here. Let's zoom it up a little bit more. And I made a really nice German update where I showed you, attention guys, is it here? The buy signal for Iota is here. And yes, of course, it is here. I hope it is here to stay. We can see it here also. We saw a nice buy signal here on the downside. After this, we saw a nice pump to the upside. I hope this point is now also telling us we should buy. Not a financial advice, but this is a really nice indicator. Let's zoom in a little bit more. Let's zoom it up. What can we see here? Daily time frame, every candle is 1 day. And you can see the green line is now straight over the gray one. Really nice. We have a buy signal here. We had the capitulation phase here to the downside. Here was a try for a breakout. It did not happen. We lost it and bam, down again. Now we are trying the next breakout to the upside. Buy signal is here. So what does it mean, guys? What do we need? Let's check it. Let's check this one. It is a parallel channel to the downside. And the important stuff is we need to break 38 cents to the upside. We need to break the middle line. That's the first thing. We need to break the upper line, 75 cents. We need to break out of this parallel channel to the downside. For the moment, it's not looking good. It's not looking nice. For the moment, we are going sideways. We are going sideways since long time, since May. Every candle is one day. We are going sideways. So we have a sideways parallel channel from this is the deepest point to this point to the upside, like this one. It is a nice parallel channel. We have also a middle line. We have also the upper line. That's the region why we are fighting here and where we are fighting. I told you on my German update, I bought the spikes to the downside. You know it, guys. I love it if I see long wicks, long spikes to the downside. That's, in my opinion, a nice buy point. And I bought here a little bit. I bought here again. And I told you, if we will lose this parallel channel to the upside, I will go out step by step of my long position. I will take profit a little bit here if we go out here, and my absolutely stop loss is the deepest point here on this point. This is the absolutely stop loss under 23 cents. I went out of all my long positions because it's not impossible to go down more. Not of the technical analysis, not of the background of Iota. Okay, it is not the best. We have some good news and good stuff, but they must, guys, they must make something. Not only for news, they must, how should I tell you? I don't know. I think you know what I mean. Iota has a lot of good news, but nothing is showing us, okay, we will make it on September. Let's go. We see Iota 2.0 on September. No, we have no reason for this. We have only news. We need more important stuff as news, guys. So if we will go down under 23 cents, I will go out. I will also go out if we will lose this parallel channel to the upside. Step by step, a little bit. I will take profit here a little bit if we go down here. So not too much winnings here, but it is a nice try for a long position. It is a nice try to catch the bottom if this is the bottom. And the hash ribbons indicator is telling us, yes, of course, on the daily time frame important, it is maybe the bottom. Let's try it. What else do we have, guys? We have, don't forget it, if we are drawing it here from here to here, a parallel channel to the downside. And I think this sideways action will finish if we can break out from this little parallel channel, or if we will break out from this little uptrend channel. That's the big thing what I'm watching now for Iota. The technical news are not so good for Iota because nothing is happening for the moment. I know it. We have a nice staking. We have a really nice staking with the Firefly wallet. Everything is okay, but I need more. Iota is going down on the price region. Top 100, yes, okay, but we are losing top 50. We are top 60, top 63. So it's not good for the moment for Iota. But I hope we can break out from here, and I hope this little hash ribbon band here, this little hash ribbon indicator is showing us maybe a nice long position for the longer time here. I think a lot of whales are waiting for this buy signal here, and yes, of course, it is here now. So guys, that's a quick update for Iota. Not too much for the day, only 8 minutes, but you can see what I mean, and I think that's all you need for the moment. I will make more updates soon, German and English one for Iota, and guys, please visit my live stream. I have a nice live stream on YouTube and on Twitch. And you can see it here, twitch.tv/xIotaX is the name on Twitch, and YouTube also 24 hours, 7 days a week live here. You can see the buy signals, sell signals, my videos here on the downside. You can see buy for the moment in the 50-minute time frame. You can see the buy signal is here for the day, and you can see everything you need, 200-day EMA and so on and so on. Everything you need for trading on this live stream. If you would like to join it, please come in, join xIotaX on Twitch or Bitcoin Trading Informant, my second live stream on YouTube. Guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice time. That's not a financial advice. Greetings, yours Biti, your Bitcoin Trading Informant. Don't forget to ring the bell and give me a thumbs to the upside and maybe a nice comment. Thanks, guys. System activated.